Hello kids, welcome back. So, yesterday we completed the poem, The Cow. I hope you all have learned the poem. Those who have not learned the poem, kindly learn it. You have to learn the 8 lines of the poem. Okay, and what's your homework today? First, I'll begin with that because you have to write 8 lines of that poem in your copy, in your English copy, in a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay, and today we have to begin the exercises. Yesterday we did true and false. Okay, and today we will do the fill in the blanks. The help box is given. Yes, and you have to search and fit the correct answer at the correct place. So, without wasting time, let's begin. Let's read together. First word is apple tart. Do you all remember what was apple tart? Apple tart was an open pastry with apple filling. I showed you the picture also, isn't it? Then friendly. All of you know what is the meaning of friendly? Meadow, a place where lot of grass grows. Day, you all know day. Wet, wet means? Yes, wet means what? What do we say in Hindi? Gila hona. Yes, wet. Yes, when the rain comes, yes, in the rain we all become wet if we go outside in the rain. Likes, stray. Stray means to go somewhere else. Wanders, I told you, move around slowly. Then last word is cream. All of you know what is cream. So, number 1, the red and white cow is dash. The red and white cow is dash. What will fit perfectly from these words? The red and white cow is friendly. Yes, correct. Friendly. So this one. Okay. So let's write down friendly. 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 Similarly, let's come to the second one. The poet dashed the cow. The poet dashed the cow. Yes? What will come? The poet likes the cow. The poet likes the cow. Spelling of likes, L-I-K-E-S, likes. L-I-K-E-S, likes. Let's come to third one. She gives dash, which the poet enjoys eating with dash. Now see, 2 blanks are given here. So she gives dash. Who is she? She means cow. Cow gives dash. Do you remember what this cow gives? Yes. See, in the help box it is also given. It's very simple. Cow gives us cream. So she gives cream. We will write here C-R-E-A-M, cream. C-R-E-A-M, cream, which the poet enjoys eating with. The poet eats the cream with what? With pastry. Which pastry? What was the name of that pastry? It was apple tart. It was apple tart. So A-double-P, L-E, apple, and T-A-R-T, tart. So it's apple tart. Apple tart. Now come to number 4. She dash here and there. She dash here and there. What will come? Yes? Come on, come on. See from the help box. She wanders. I hope you all guessed it. She wanders. W A N D E R S, wanders. She wanders here and there. Then come to number 5. The cow cannot dash in the open air and light of the dash. Again 2 blanks. The cow cannot dash. What the cow cannot do? The cow cannot stray. The cow cannot stray. So STRAY. Stray. The cow cannot stray in the open air and light of the dash. So when there is so much of sunlight, in the daytime or night time? Daytime. Yes. So and light of the day. So DAY, day. Got it? Now come to 6th one. She gets dash in the rain. The cow gets dash in the rain. I told you right just now when I was telling you about the help box. This word wet. Okay. We get wet in the rain. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. Then come to 7th one, the last one. She walks in the dash, grass, and eats the meadow flowers. She walks in the which grass? She walks in which grass? In the meadow grass. Yes, this one, meadow. M-E-A-D-O-W. Meadow. M-E-A-D-O-W. Meadow. And what do we mean by meadow? Meadow means a place. Which place? Where a lot of grass grows. Where a lot of grass grows. That's meadow. So she walks in the meadow grass and eats the meadow flowers. Okay kids, so we have completed both the exercises, that is true or false and fill in the blanks. So what's your homework? Your homework is that you have to learn them. You have to learn both these questions. Okay children, let's proceed.
Okay kids, I hope you all have done the fill in the blanks. So you have to learn it. Okay, and tomorrow we'll begin with one more topic. Till then, take care. Bye.